Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to Future Phone Flash, your ultimate hotspot for diving into the future of mobile technology. Here, we're all about unboxing the latest gadgets, exploring cutting-edge features, and giving you the insider scoop on what's next in the world of smartphones. So, if you're passionate about staying ahead of the tech curve, you're in the right place. Let's get the excitement rolling and dive into today's tech extravaganza. It's been a wild ride since Samsung launched the Galaxy S24 series, and we've heard some chatter about issues with the display and photo quality. If you've been nodding along to those complaints, you're not alone. Many users have been talking about these problems, but the good news is that Samsung has heard you loud and clear. They've announced an update to fix these issues for all the S24 models, the S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra. They're planning to roll this out later this month, showing they're serious about making their customers happy. So, what's Samsung cooking up to improve your Galaxy S24 experience? They're tweaking the screen settings for a more natural look and adding a new feature, a vividness slider in the display settings. This means you can crank up those colors to match your style. And for the camera? Samsung is keeping some cards close to their chest but expect better zoom, night photos, and video quality. When's this update coming, you ask? Samsung's targeting February, but no exact date yet. However, the rumor mill, led by the famous leaker Ice Universe, hints it might drop after the Spring Festival in China, with a focus on camera upgrades. So, to all Galaxy S24 series owners, keep an eye out for this update. And if you're rocking an S24 Ultra, I'd love to hear how it's going for you in the comments below. That's all for now. Hit like if you found this helpful, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more updates. Until next time, peace out. Moving on, let's chat about the upcoming Galaxy A55 5G. If you're keen on the A series, the A55 is shaping up to be a game changer. Expected to launch in March 2024, we might see a few versions designed for different markets, with a price point that promises to keep your wallet happy. It's rumored to sport a sleek design in 3 cool colors, with a display that could make your eyes happy and performance that steps up its game from previous models. The camera might stick to the tried and tested, but with Samsung, who knows? They might surprise us. And for those long days, the A55 is expected to keep you powered up with fast charging. Plus, it'll come with the latest in connectivity and run on Android 14 with Samsung's One UI 6 for a smooth, user-friendly experience. If it is worth the wait for my regular viewers, you guys have seen this. So just skip to the next video, but if you're new here, then hit subscribe now. Samsung is stepping up its game with an update for the Galaxy S24 series, showing they're all ears when it comes to user feedback. This update, coming to all S24 models later this month, is all about fixing those display and camera gripes users have pointed out. It's a big thumbs up from Samsung, proving they're serious about making their phones better for everyone. What's cooking with this update? For starters, Samsung's tweaking the screen settings to give you a more true-to-life look. Plus, they're throwing in a brand new feature for adjusting screen vividness. This wasn't there before, but with the update, you'll get a slider that lets you dial up or tone down the color intensity to match your style. It's a neat touch for those who love their screens popping with color. Camera-wise, Samsung's a bit secretive on the specifics but promises to buff up some key areas. Think sharper zoom, better portraits, clearer night shots, and smoother video recording. It's like giving the Galaxy S24's camera a power-up, making sure your snaps and clips look top-notch. Keep your eyes peeled for this update rolling out in February, right after China's Spring Festival. It's poised to make the Galaxy S24's display and camera even more impressive. For all you Galaxy S24 owners, this update could be a game changer. Samsung's showing they value what you think and are on a mission to enhance your phone experience. Once the update hits, jump into the comments and let everyone know how it's changed your Galaxy game. Your feedback could help others and keep the conversation going about these exciting improvements. The Galaxy S24 Ultra's debut didn't initially set my world on fire, more of a mild intrigue than a burning excitement. Yet, after getting some hands-on time, my perspective shifted. The device's subtle enhancements and standout features have turned my intrigue into appreciation. On the surface, the S24 Ultra might not look like a game-changer compared to its predecessor. But it's the little things that add up, making a big difference. Take the new anti-reflective Corning Gorilla Glass, for instance. It dramatically reduces glare, making the vibrant AMOLED display even more stunning, especially in bright sunlight. Then there's the camera. Moving from a 10x to a 5x telephoto lens paired with a 50-megapixel sensor might seem like a downgrade in zoom power. However, the reality is far from it. The fine-tuning of color saturation and image sharpening has led to more authentic photos, catapulting the S24 Ultra to the top of camera performance charts. The debate around the flat-screen design is ongoing, but the titanium frame is a clear winner. Although not quite at the iPhone 15 Pro's level, the titanium's quality feel, secure grip, and balanced weight make it a standout feature. It's a refreshing change from the iPhone 15 Pro Max's slippery design, offering a sense of security in hand. Looking forward, the device's durability and software support are up for discussion. Samsung's improving record in these areas is promising, but the S24 Ultra's long-term performance remains to be seen. In conclusion, the Galaxy S24 Ultra represents a meaningful advancement in the world of smartphones. It may not revolutionize the category, but it undoubtedly enhances the user experience, making it a compelling option for those considering an upgrade from previous Samsung models. Thanks for tuning in to Future Phone Flash. We hope you enjoyed today's tech journey as much as we did. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you won't miss any of our future tech flashes. Your support fuels our passion for tech, and we can't wait to bring you more thrilling updates from the smartphone universe. Until next time, keep flashing forward into the future of tech.